Hello everyone. Now let's start the one of the you can say important reaction, name reaction for JEE mains or advanced and NEET exam also. Let the today's reaction is, I think it is 6 number reaction. Clemmensen reaction. Clemmensen reduction reaction. Clemmensen reduction. This reaction is used for the reduction of specially carbonyl compound of means aldehyde or ketone, not for other. Let here reagent is used that zinc amalgam. Zinc amalgam means ZnHg in presence of concentrated HCl. This is the reagent. For 1 mark, question will be asked what is the reagent for Clemmensen reaction. I am writing here one of the reaction. Let's suppose ketone is there, or we can say aldehyde, where R is equal to maybe H or CH3 or any alkyl group in presence of ZnHg concentrated HCl. See here, concentrated HCl is used, not dilute HCl. Remember this please. This will be converted to R2CH2 R dash. This total O is shifted by 2 hydrogen atoms. So this is the direct method. What is the direct method? Again, I am explaining again. Let's see here. Let's suppose this is our ketone ZnHg concentrated HCl is given, then directly convert to this product. Shift this oxygen by 2 hydrogen atom. This is the direct method for mechanism of this reaction is not important because it is not asked in your exam, or any intermediate formula also will not be asked in exam. But because of mechanism of this reaction is not well defined in every book. If you see, every book says different mechanism. If you need the mechanism, then I most expected mechanism in later. First, we will go through the one of the PYQ depend on that reaction. The question is that which one of the following reduced with zinc hydrochloric acid to give corresponding hydrocarbon? Means I am writing here question, which one of the following reduced with zinc hydrochloric acid to give corresponding hydrocarbon. If you see question carefully, which one of the following reduced with zinc hydrochloric acid? This word is so much important. Zinc hydrochloric acids means combining with ZnHg in concentrated HCl, we call it as zinc hydrochloric acid. You will be confused in exam because zinc amalgam plus concentrated HCl is used here, but in question mention is that zinc hydrochloric acid. So this is also another word of that reagent. Please remember that also. Here options are there: ethyl acetate, B option is butane 2,1. If you read this reaction, if you have studied this reaction, then you can easily answer of that question. Another option is acetamide, and last one is acetic acid. This question was asked in AI EEE 2004. This is the very simple question. If you see, I already told one sentence during when I was starting this video. This Clemmensen reduction is used only for reduction of carbonyl compound, which aldehyde or ketone. If you see here, this is ester, this is amide, this is acid, and this only one is the ketone. So this will can be reduced by Clemmensen reduction, or we can say zinc hydrochloric acid. So B is our correct option. Here depend on that reaction. Directly one question is also asked in IIT Mains 2013. Second question is Clemmensen reduction of a ketone is carried out in presence of. Here, if you see the question carefully, Clemmensen reduction of a ketone is carried out in presence of. Directly here they asked that what is the reagent of Clemmensen reduction. So you have to remember the reagent of that reaction. This question was asked in IIT Mains 2013. Here options are given that glycol with potassium hydroxide KOH, ZnHG with HCl and C, LiAlH4, D, H2 with palladium as catalyst. So you can directly answer that question. What is the correct answer? ZnHG with HCl. LiAlH4 used to reduce carbonyl compound, but which we can reduce by using LiAlH4 carbon compound as well as ester also, as well as acid also, acyl chloride also, to corresponding alcohol, not to alkene. And in Clemmensen reduction, ZnHG with HCl is used. H2 platinum is used to reduce double bond, triple bond, or some other compound also. So correct option of that question is B option. Here we will see mechanism, but mechanism of that reaction is not important and also not clearly defined. So I am writing here mechanism. Let's suppose this is our carbonyl compound. Here acidic medium is there, therefore this oxygen will be protonated. What will happen? OH, and positive charge will come on oxygen. So now what will happen? This bond will open. R OH, here positive charge will become. Now what happening is that Zn is present. This zinc will give 2 electron to that carbon. So what will happen? Due to one electron it will neutralize, and due to another electron negative charge will be come on that carbon. Here OH. So due to acidic medium is there, proton is there, this carbanion will accept proton, and what will happen? Here H will become. Next again what is happening is that again this OH will protonated. So here OH2, here positive charge, here H. So now H2 is a very good leaving group. So this water will leaves out minus H2O. And what will form? Here positive charge, here hydrogen is there, and after again zinc is there. This will give 2 electron. Due to 1 electron, positive charge will be neutralized, and due to 1 electron, negative charge will come on that carbon. Here H, and again proton is also present in reaction, so it will accept proton, and this will convert to a simple corresponding alkane. So if you see here, another one question may be asked here. In the Clemmensen reduction, how much electron are used to reduce carbonyl compound to corresponding alkane? So 4 electrons are used. 4 electrons from zinc, not only zinc, to another mole atoms of zinc will be transferred to that corresponding intermediate. And here 4 hydrogen. How much proton are used? 1, 2, 3, and 4 proton also are used to reduce. So this is all over Clemmensen reduction. So if you have any doubt about that Clemmensen reduction, but you can ask me in comment section, but the mechanism of that reaction is not clearly mentioned, but every book says different mechanism. So do not go through very seriously in mechanism, and mechanism is also not important for your exam also. So but remember the what is the Clemmensen reduction, what which reagent is used, for which substrate, for which reactant, you can say. This is the important for that reaction. And in like JEE mains exam, for large question, sub question will be asked. In that question, sub question will be asked depending on that Clemmensen reduction. So thank you guys, this is enough for today. I will see you in next video. Thank you guys.